Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to check your Facebook account creation date. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. Let's begin. Go to your Facebook account, go to your Facebook profile, click on your profile picture, click settings and privacy. Click on settings. You will see here your Facebook information, and then this side is access profile information, so click view, and you will see here this side personal information. Click there, and then here you can see your Facebook creation date, your account creation date. Here when you created your account, it will appear here under your account creation date. I hope now you know when your Facebook account was created. If you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, share. Thank you for watching.